I think I'm literally losing my mind. Yeah. First off, I'm a little bit psycho, losing my mind in a whole different time zone. Drinking Red Bull, write rhymes on loose leaf. If you're riding with me, we can kick it like Bruce Lee. Who's he? Another Slim Shady, trying to be a rapper. Oh my god, quit it, white boy, you a bastard. He raps about suicide, depression, and the mic. Probably begging for attention just to try to get a like. No, what you know about mental health? Trapped in a prison every day, live a hell. You wanna judge me for expressing how I feel? You a goddamn fool, I will always keep it real. Hold up, just breathe for a second. Chill the fuck out, you were born a legend. My thoughts keep spinning like a helicopter. I'm sicker than Ebola, better call the doctor. I got so much in my head that I can't explain. I think that I'm going crazy, I might go insane. Told my mama I'ma make it, leave a legacy. Music flowing through my blood, this is destiny. I'm losing my mind, I'm losing my mind. Only thing I really fear is running out of time. I'm losing my mind, I'm losing my mind. Only thing I really fear is running out of time.
I never thought that I would be anything more than I am. You try to tell me that I'll never make it. I'm looking at you like fucker I am. And your opinion like I give a damn. It's my position, this is why I stand. Lately I feel like I'm frozen in time. Like I'm in my prime, I'll never expand. And everybody's trying to tell me this shit is stereotypical. There ain't no way that you'll ever make it, you're at your pinnacle. And I'm just trying to tell you I've got a different visual. And everybody wants a lot of money, shit is typical like me. Yeah, I just wanna live life. Help a million so they can live right. Be a dad so that maybe I can give life. Everybody looking at me now like a missight.
I got so much in my head that I can't explain. I think that I'm going crazy, I might go insane. Told my mama I'ma make it, leave a legacy. Music flowing through my blood, this is destiny. I'm losing my mind, I'm losing my mind. Only thing I really fear is running out of time. I'm losing my mind, I'm losing my mind. Only thing I really fear is running out of time. I keep on running, can't ever hide. Feeling like someone's out to get me. I'm not alright. This world disgusts me the way that it looks. I'm paranoid, people got me shook. I'm thinking to myself, I don't wanna fit in. I'ma tell my story with a catchy hook. I'm climbing up the ladder on my way up. All they ever used to do was just doubt us. Now they come around so supportive. And I ain't gonna stop till on the Forbes list. I got so much in my head that I can't explain. I think that I'm going crazy, I might go insane. Told my mama I'ma make it, leave a legacy. Music flowing through my blood, this is destiny. I'm losing my mind, I'm losing my mind. Only thing I really fear is running out of time. I'm losing my mind, I'm losing my mind. Only thing I really fear is running out of time.